Population of Springfield can be modeled by the following equation where T sub 0 represents year 1930. So I plugged in the equation. I'm going to go to Windows and let's go out 100 years. T sub 0, 1930, so this would represent 100 years past this point, and then I'm going to do zoom fit. Okay, I'm going to represent the graph here. And then going to Windows, this is from 0 to 100. Time is always going to be your x-axis, and then the y minimums here are so. All right, let's go back and let's answer the following questions. In what year did the city's population exceed? Well, let's figure out when it meets 1 million. Population is your y value, so I'm going to come up to here, typing in, and let's find the intersection. Second trace, intersect, pressing enter 3 times. Now we need to translate this into time, in what year. So I'm going to take 77.8, I'm going to add it to the initial year. So we can say in the year 2007, we can assume that the population exceeded 1 million. So 2000.8, so somewhere towards the end of 2007 it equals 1 million, and then after that point we can assume that it's going to exceed. An economic recession in the 1940s caused the population to drop. What was the minimum population before the city's population rejuvenated? So we want to know what is the relative minimum. Second trace, going down to minimum. Using this arrow, I'm going to go somewhere to the left of the lowest, then press enter. To the right of the lowest, and then back to that point. All right, and we're asking what is the minimum population. This is our population. We're looking at 551,813. What year? So this is an x value. What year did the population bottom out? So this is when it bottomed out. We want to turn this into a year. So I'm taking 40. I'm adding it to 1930 to be 1970. What was the city's population in the year 2000? So the first thing we need to do is, before I can plug this in, the difference from the initial year to 2000 is a difference of 70. So when I type in 70, it will represent the year 2000, and we can see the population would be 809,864.